What's up guys, this is Abhishan, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to connect RJ45 connector to the cable. In order to do so, I need some tool that is tool number one. This is a cable crimper, okay, cable crimper, and the next one is cable stripper, okay. This is cable stripper, and this is cable which is cat 6 cable, okay. Cat 6 means category 6 cable. This is category 6 cable, right? Cat 6. And I need this is basically RJ45 connector, okay. You can see it, this is RJ45 connector, okay. This is RJ45 connector. And then this is basically this is another tool, which is this is device which is called cable tester, and it is used to test the cable, okay. But if you don't have this cable tester, so don't worry about it, right? So let's get started. So well, we have wiring standards. We have some wiring standards that is 568A and 568B, okay. But keep one thing in mind, that these cables have 8 wires, okay, and they are brown, white, brown, blue, white, blue, green, white, green, and orange and white, orange. So basically there are 8 cables. This 560A is nothing but it is just the arrangement, the order of the these wires. Well, in 560A standard you have to keep this order, just like white, green, green, then white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, and then white, brown, brown. This is basically the order of the wires, okay. We will talk about it later. And in 568B you have to keep this order, or you have to arrange the cables in this order, right? Which is white, orange, then orange, white, green, then blue, white, blue, then green, white, brown, and then brown, which means that white, orange wire, then orange wire, and so on. Well, but in this video we will talk about this one, this standard, right, which is 568B and 568B. We will in order to connect the RJ45 connectors, we will use this standard. I will connect the wires in this order, that is 568B, right? And similarly at the other end. Well, but keep one thing in mind, that at the one end of the cable I have connected RJ45 connector already. It's just for simplicity, okay, because if otherwise the video will become too long, okay. So that's why I have connected this RJ45 connector to the one end already. But now we will talk about this one, okay. So how to do it? First of all, let's remove this insulation from this cable. And how can we do it? Okay, we can do it with the help of this, which is what cable crimper, okay. So how you have to do it is now do it like this, okay. Press this thing, okay, and you can easily do it, okay. Now do it like this, okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, now so basically we removed this insulation, and now what we have to do, now untwist these cables, okay, just like this. Untwist these cables, okay, and straighten them, okay. Untwist these all cables, okay, just like this, and straighten them, okay. Now as you can see that all wires are straightened, and what we have to do now as we know that we have to make this arrangement like 568B, okay. That is, first wire will be, this is white, orange, okay, then orange, then white, green, okay. This one is white, green, okay, and white, green, then which one, then blue, okay. This one is blue, okay, then white blue, then green, okay, and then what, then white brown, this is white brown, and then this is white brown, and then brown, okay. So now we can see that this is the order, which is, white orange, then white green, then blue, then white blue, then green, and then white brown and brown. So so what we have to do now, these whites are too long, okay, and so what we have to do now, what we have to do now, we will remove the unwanted area, that is, so what we have to do, we'll keep in mind one thing, that some part of this insulation will have to go inside this connector, just like this, okay. So okay, this insulation is inside this RJ45 connector, so take care of this thing, okay. Now what we have to do, okay, we will cut it here, just right here. Now, how can we do it? We can do it with the help of this cable crimper, that's just like it, okay. You can see this, okay. Press this one, okay, everything is okay, and you can see these are in order now. Now what you have to do, take this RJ45 connector and this, okay, and you have to now we have to insert this just like this, okay. Keep in mind one thing, okay. Now as it is done, now to be on the safe side, check it, okay, like if I hold these two RJ45 connectors like this, okay. Now you can see that to the left of this connector, which I have connected before, okay, you can see to the left of this RJ45 connector, we have whites, white, orange, and similarly now if I hold this RJ45 connector as I hold it this one, then to the left of this RJ45 connectors I will have the same wire arrangement, that is white, orange, and so on. To be on the safe side, just check it, okay, before doing anything else. So this must be the same order, otherwise it won't work, okay. Now what we have to do, okay, now just we have to use this cable crimper, and how can we do it, okay. Just now insert this into this cable like this, okay, and hold this, press this thing, okay, just like this, okay. Okay, and now this RJ45 is connected properly, okay. And I will talk about cable tester in the next video in detail, okay. So thanks for watching.